Another day, another video of first aid by The Ultimate Guide to OTC Medicine for Strep Throat. Strep throat is a common bacterial infection caused by group A Streptococcus bacteria. It is highly contagious and can spread quickly through close contact with an infected person. Symptoms of strep throat include a sore throat, fever, swollen lymph nodes, and swollen tonsils. Treatment usually involves antibiotics, rest, and pain relievers. Early diagnosis and treatment are important to prevent the infection from spreading or causing more serious medical conditions. Fortunately, there are over-the-counter (OTC) medications available to help relieve the symptoms of strep throat and speed up recovery. In this video, we'll discuss the various OTC medicines available for treating strep throat. Common symptoms of strep throat. Strep throat is a highly contagious bacterial infection that can cause a sore throat and other unpleasant symptoms. It is especially common in children and young adults but can affect people of any age. Common symptoms of strep throat include a sore throat, swollen tonsils and lymph nodes, fever, headache, vomiting, body aches, and loss of appetite. You may also experience white patches on the throat and tonsils, as well as red spots on the roof of the mouth. If you or your child experience any of these symptoms, it is important to visit your doctor as soon as possible in order to get an accurate diagnosis and obtain the necessary treatment. Treatment options for strep throat. Prescription medications. Prescription medications are often recommended as a treatment option for strep throat. Antibiotics such as penicillin or amoxicillin are most commonly prescribed to treat this type of bacterial infection. While these drugs are effective in killing the bacteria that cause strep throat, they may cause side effects such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Other medications, such as corticosteroids, may be prescribed to reduce inflammation and swelling in the throat. In some cases, pain relievers such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen may be recommended to help relieve the symptoms of strep throat. It is important to follow the instructions of your doctor when taking any medications and to finish the entire course of the prescribed medication in order to ensure that the infection is completely eliminated. Over-the-counter (OTC) medications. Over-the-counter (OTC) medications are a great option for treating strep throat. They can provide relief from symptoms, such as sore throat and fever, and can help reduce the severity of infection. These medications are available in a variety of forms, including tablets, capsules, liquids, and sprays. Depending on the severity of the infection, OTC medications can be taken on a regular basis or as needed. Additionally, gargling with salt water may also help reduce throat inflammation and pain. For more severe cases, a visit to a healthcare provider is recommended to determine the best course of treatment. OTC medications for strep throat. Antibiotics. Strep throat is a very common condition that requires treatment with antibiotics. Unfortunately, antibiotics are not available over-the-counter (OTC), so it is important to make an appointment with your doctor in order to get a prescription for the proper medication. However, there are a few OTC medications that can help alleviate the symptoms of strep throat, such as sore throat lozenges and throat sprays. These products can provide temporary relief while you wait to see your doctor and receive the proper antibiotic treatment. Pain relievers. When it comes to relieving the pain of strep throat, over-the-counter (OTC) medications can provide temporary relief. OTC medications such as ibuprofen, acetaminophen, and aspirin can all help to reduce the discomfort caused by strep throat. These medications will help to reduce the pain and inflammation in the throat, helping to make the infection more bearable while the body works to fight off the infection. However, it is important to note that OTC medications will not cure the infection, but rather provide temporary relief until the infection can be addressed through other methods. Decongestants. Decongestants are a type of over-the-counter (OTC) medication used to treat strep throat. These medications are designed to reduce inflammation in the throat and airways, providing relief from the uncomfortable symptoms of a strep infection. Decongestants can be taken in the form of tablets, capsules, liquids, sprays, and drops, and can be used in combination with other OTC medications such as pain relievers, antihistamines, and cough suppressants. When taken as directed, decongestants can be highly effective in treating strep throat and helping to reduce the severity and duration of the infection. Throat lozenges. Throat lozenges are a great over-the-counter, OTC, medication for relieving the symptoms of strep throat. These lozenges provide soothing relief from the soreness and inflammation that can come along with strep throat. They also help to reduce the thickness of the mucus that can accumulate in the throat, making it easier to swallow. Throat lozenges are also convenient and easy to access. They can be found in most pharmacies and grocery stores, so you can get the relief you need when you need it. Tips for taking OTC medications. Follow the instructions on the package. Taking over-the-counter, OTC, medications can be an effective way to treat minor ailments. However, it is important to follow the instructions on the package to ensure the medication is taken safely and effectively. Before taking any OTC medication, it is important to check the dosage instructions and read the active ingredients. It is also important to consult a doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about the product or its use. If you are taking other medications, talk to your doctor or pharmacist to see if the OTC medication is safe to take with your other medications. Additionally, it is important to follow the instructions on the package, including the directions for use, warnings and cautions. Read the active ingredients. Taking over-the-counter, OTC, medications can be an effective way to treat minor health issues. However, it is important to read the active ingredients listed on the label and follow the instructions carefully in order to get the most benefit from the medication. Make sure that all active ingredients are listed and that none of them are known to cause any negative interactions with any other medications you may be taking. Be sure to read the expiration date, and take the medication as directed. Do not take more than the recommended dosage, and be sure to store the medication in a cool, dry place. Follow the dosage instructions. When taking over-the-counter medications, it is important to remember to follow the dosage instructions provided. It is equally important to read the label and side effects of the medication you are taking. Make sure to pay attention to any warnings on the label, as well as any interactions with other medications you may be taking. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have any chronic medical conditions, be sure to check with your doctor before taking any medication. Thanks for watching.